What if I told you that rusty old nails and a little bit of milk could completely change your plant's health? Stick around, because this garden hack will shock you with its results. Rusty nails slowly release iron, which plants need for green, healthy leaves. Without iron, leaves turn pale and yellow. Milk is packed with calcium, proteins, and vitamins that strengthen roots, stems, and leaves. Plus, milk has natural antifungal properties to protect plants from diseases. Together, they create a powerful, natural growth booster. How to make it. 1. Place 5 to 7 rusty nails in a jug. 2. Add half a cup milk plus half a cup water. 3. Let it sit for 2 days in a shaded spot. 4. 5. Dilute with another 1 liter of water. 6. Use this mixture to water your plants once every 2 to 3 weeks. This combo works wonders for hibiscus, roses, tomatoes, chilies, indoor plants, and fruit trees. Avoid using too much on succulents or cacti. Safety and tips. Always dilute milk. Never use pure milk, it can spoil. Use once every 2 to 3 weeks only. Don't pour too close to the plant stem. Keep nails away from children and pets. Rusty nails give iron, milk gives calcium and strength. It's the perfect homemade duo for greener, stronger plants. Try it at home and watch the magic. If you enjoyed this hack, hit like and subscribe for more garden secrets.